ABC Creative Studio. Today let's make a moving paper toys. Materials: trace a circle and cut. Make it with different colors. If you're done making a circle, fold it into half. Cut like this in a construction paper for the boat. Stick it on the folded circle. Make a line using any colored pen. Let's make for the moving snail. Cut circles in different sizes. Stick with the glue. Time to assemble the moving snail and stick with glue. Cut like this for the snail's eyes. Make a round white and black for the eyes. Done. Let's try to move our toys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.